What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I want to talk to you about something very interesting, especially if you are a content creator, influencer, or even someone who already has an audience online. A lot of people think that the only way to make money online is through sponsorship deals, selling products, or running ads. But what if I told you that there is another way to create an additional income stream with very low effort? Today we're talking about AdBird. Let's be honest, for most creators, income is not always stable. Some months you get sponsorships, some months nothing. And that's why having multiple income sources is very important. You don't want to depend on only fixed brand deals. You need something extra, something that can keep generating income in the background. That's where passive income opportunities become interesting. And this is exactly what AdBird is trying to solve. AdBird is a performance-based partnership platform. In simple words, it helps creators monetize their existing audience using personalized tracking links. Instead of only earning from one sponsorship payment, AdBird gives creators the opportunity to earn continuously based on performance. This means you can build an additional revenue stream from your audience. And the best part, you don't need complicated setups, you don't need technical skills, and it integrates easily into your current content. Very simple. Now let me show you how the platform works. First, login is very easy. You access the dashboard and everything is simple and clean. You can quickly understand how everything works. Inside the platform, you can create your personalized tracking links. These links are important because they track the traffic and performance coming from your audience. So people click through your link and complete actions. Everything gets tracked inside the dashboard. You can monitor performance, clicks, and results directly from the platform. I really like that the process is simple. No complicated systems, no confusion dashboards. Everything feels beginner friendly. That's important because many platforms overcomplicate things. AdBird keeps it very easy. What makes this more interesting is that this is not just theory. I've already checked the platform and the earning model is very interesting. The kind of system allows creators to earn beyond traditional sponsorship deals. Instead of getting paid and stopping there, you create the opportunity for long-term earnings. That's where the real value is. A low-effort system with strong earning potential. What I personally like about AdBird is the simplicity. You already have an audience, you already create content. Why not monetize that audience smarter? You don't need to change your entire strategy. Just integrate your personalized link into your content, social media, community, or bio. That's it. Simple, low effort, and strong potential. For creators, this can become a serious side hustle or even a long-term passive income stream. So if you want to increase your income and explore new monetization opportunities, I definitely recommend checking out AdBird. If you're already a creator, influencer, or building an audience online, this might be worth looking into. I'll leave my tracking link in the description below, so don't forget to check them out. As always guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.